In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Zoho forms. If you're new to Zoho or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Editing forms to suit your needs is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, to get started, head over to zoho.com forms. Once you're there, log in with your existing Zoho account. This will take you to your main dashboard, where you can see a list of all your forms. It's really convenient because everything is centralized, allowing you to quickly access any of your forms. Next, locate the form you'd like to edit. Once you've found it, simply click on its name to open it up. You'll then want to click on the Edit tab, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This is where the magic happens, as it opens up the form builder. Within the form builder, you have the freedom to make a variety of changes. For instance, you can modify field labels or add instructions to ensure clear communication with your respondents. If you need to add new fields, you can do so easily with the drag and drop feature. This allows for flexibility in reorganizing your form. Perhaps you want to rearrange questions or maybe remove a field or two that are no longer necessary. Making these adjustments is straightforward. Additionally, you can set certain fields to be required or optional, ensuring you gather all necessary information from your audience. And the best part? All your changes save automatically, taking away the worry of losing your progress. Now, let's explore how to customize your form even further. If you want to alter its appearance or functionality, head over to the Themes tab. Here you can update the look by changing colors and fonts to match your brand or personal aesthetic. To incorporate logic that adapts to different responses, go to the Rules tab. This enables you to set up conditional logic based on responses, providing a dynamic experience for users. By clicking on Settings, you can manage email notifications, update the status of your form, or even set limits on responses. These features ensure that your form behaves exactly how you need it to. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to preview your masterpiece. Click Access Form to take a look at your changes. This step lets you ensure that everything looks perfect. If all is well, your form is ready to be shared. There's no need to publish it again, as the live link automatically updates with the changes you've made. This means you can easily share the link, knowing it's up to date with the latest adjustments. And that's it. Editing Zoho forms is that simple. It's a fast and flexible process that allows you to keep your forms current at all times. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find your form editing journey with Zoho as smooth as possible.